Can you see this? Can
Yes,
you
ma'am.
see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. I can see.
Question number 7 is given. Express sin 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. Okay. These are to be converted in other trigonometric ratio, but the angles should be lying between 0 to 45. Okay. So the same type question is given this one. Okay, cot 85, cos 75. This one is to convert between 0 to 45, same type question. Then cot 85 means tan 5, cos 75 is sin 15. 5 degree, 15 degree, both are between 0 to 45 degree. Got it? I,
Okay, ma'am.
and
So like we
I
have
had
to.
discussed the same question on the previous day. Okay. So simply you have to convert in another angle, and angle also it is mentioned that 0 to 45, between 0 to 45 it should be there. Okay. So see,
Okay.
in this same way, in this question also 0 to 45 it is written. So 67, sin 67 means what? Cos
57.
23,
For
23.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. And cos 75 is equal to sin 25.
15. Uh, yes,
Oh,
ma'am. 25.
sorry. 25? No, no, no. 15, no?
Yes, ma'am.
15, no? 15. Okay, and 23, 15, both are between 0 to 45. So that one will be the solution. Okay.
Okay.
Next is question number 6. It is saying if A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then so that, okay, sin B plus C divided by 2 is equal to cos A divided by 2. No. These are the interior angles, okay, of triangle ABC. This is very conceptual question. Just understand, because this is simply talking about a triangle. So I will take a triangle, okay,
Yes, ma'am.
in which three angles are there: A, B, C, and interior angles of triangle ABC. So first of all, I will go with A plus B plus C is equal to 180
360.
degrees, isn't it? 180, no?
Yes, ma'am. 180. 180. Yes, ma'am.
Mhm. Then if I do like A plus B plus C divided by 2 will be equal to 90 degree, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
If I write like A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 equal to 90 degree. This also correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I write B by 2 plus C by 2 equals 90 degrees minus A by 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
This one can be written like B plus C divided by 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus A by 2. Got it? Hey, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
ठीक है? Next thing
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
if I put, according to question, it is given sign. Here it is given sign. So I would like to put here sign. So it will be like sin B plus C by 2. This is what? This is LHS. This is LHS. B plus C can be written as what? Sine 90 degree minus a by 2. Okay, from this relation. Got it? And sine 90 degree minus a by 2 is what? Cos
Cos A
a
by
by
2.
2. This one will be RHS. समझने में दिक्कत हो रही है तो मैं फर्स्ट पेज में लिखूंगी, अदरवाइज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड.
No, I understood now.
Okay. So from the basic relation we have started, a plus b plus c is 180 because these are the three angles of these are the three interior angles of a triangle. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
if all are divided by 2, then this one will be equal to 90 degree. I have separated, and after that a by 2 is taken to another side. According to question we have to go. Okay, b and c is taken together. Then it will be converted like b plus c divided by 2 equals 90 degree minus a by 2. So if I put sine on the first side, then it will be written like sine b plus c divided by 2, which one will be equal to sine 90 degree minus a by 2. That equals cos a by 2. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Write it down, firstly, in copy. अभी नाइट नहीं है बच्चा. Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not writing. Yes, ma'am. Written.
Okay. Now clear the page. Next thing is trigonometric identities. I think I had discussed this portion, no? That sine square theta plus cos square theta equals 1. Okay?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
thing I had discussed. And this relation also. 1 plus tan square is equal to sec square A. Okay. Next thing, one more relation is there. That is cot square A plus cos square A. Sorry, cot square A plus 1 equals cos square A. Okay. So, do you remember all these things? I
Yes,
had
ma'am.
proved these things also. Three relations simply you have to keep in mind. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equals
Equal
1.
1.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Tan square theta equals 1. And cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals 1. These are the three relations. अब इसी को उल्टा पुल्टा जिधर तिधर करके लिख दे वो अलग बात है. These are the three relations. First one is carrying plus only, but these two are carrying minus. And sec square minus tan square, cos square minus cot square. but sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. Okay, if you remember like this, then you will keep in mind always. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So now the thing is, example is given. Now see, this is a very important question. What I'm going to discuss. Example 12. It is saying express the ratios this one in terms of sine A. या तो रिवर्स भी दिया जा सकता है कि कोई एक ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो को दूसरे सारे ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियोज में कन्वर्ट करें, है ना? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड साइन. If I start from the basic, sine is related to cos. How? Sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. है ना? दूसरा रिलेशन, cos is related to sec. Cos is related to sec.
Sec.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Sec is the
Was.
reciprocal of cos. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
And sec is related with tan. कैसे? Sec square minus tan square equals 1. Okay. Now tan is related with cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan.
Tan.
Cot is the reciprocal of tan. ठीक है? इसके बाद है cot is related with cosec.
Cosec.
What is related with cosec? How? Cosec square minus cot square equals 1.
1.
ठीक है? And lastly, cosec is related with sine because these two are reciprocal of each other. Got it? This
Yes, ma'am.
thing is very important. You have to keep in mind. Sine, cos, both are related with the relation of sine square plus cos square equals 1. Okay. Cos is related with sec because these are reciprocal of each other. Sec is related with tan because of the relation sec square minus tan square equals 1. Tan is related with cot because these two are reciprocal of each other. Cot is related with cos because cosec square minus cot square is equal to 1. Finally, cosec is related with sine because these are reciprocal of each other. Okay.
Yes,
If you
ma'am.
keep in mind this relation like this only, then you will be able to do all the questions uh, given of this type. Okay. So now we have to go to the question. What the question is saying. Sine in term, we have to convert cos A in terms of sin A. एक एक करके करते हैं. Cos A को convert करना है sin A में. What is with us? Cos A only. And we have to convert in terms of sine. Okay. So cos A is related with sine like, since we will write like this, cos square plus sine square is equal to 1. Then cos square A is equal to 1 minus sine square A. Then cos A will be equal to under root 1 minus sine square A. ठीक है? अब इसको भूल से 1 minus sine A लिखना नहीं है. This one will be incorrect. ऐसी गलतियां आप भी कर रहे हो, दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स भी करते हैं. 1 minus sin a नहीं होगा. क्यों? Because this is in the form of a square minus b square. Got it? It's in the form of a square minus b square. So that is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Are you getting what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the ultimate value. It cannot be broken. Okay. तो यही इसका हो गया. Should I clear this?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is tan A. Tan to be converted in terms of sine. So first of all, sec square minus tan square इक्वल्स 1। हमें कन्वर्ट करना है साइन में, ध्यान रखना है। तो पहले हम लोग सेक को कन्वर्ट करेंगे। सेक स्क्वायर, बेटर आई राइट लाइक tan square a is equal to sec square a minus 1. Okay, so sec square is what? 1 by cos square a minus 1, है ना? यानी 1 minus cos square a divided by cos square a. LCM taken. Got it? See the numerator part. 1 minus cos square a is what? Sin square a. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
ओह, मैं इतना बेकार घूम गई, तो यहीं से आ जाता। अच्छा ठीक है। tan square a can be written like sin square a divided by cos square a, and right before this part we have found cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Okay, so it can be written like sin square a 1 minus sin square a. Got it? यहाँ इतना
Yes,
जाने
ma'am.
की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्टली वी कैन डू दिस। Should I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sec a in terms of sin a. So sec a is equal to 1 by cos a. And on the very first part, we have found the value of cos a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
ये क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं। All three parts are done. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next thing is prove that this is equal to 1. Sec a multiplied with 1 minus sin a. Sec a plus tan a equals 1. Can you see the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 13. I am discussing this is equal to 1. So first of all, sec a 1 minus sin a. 1 minus sin a. Sec plus tan. Sec plus tan. Okay. Now I multiply these two. Okay. So if sec a is multiplied with 1, this one will be sec a, and sec a is multiplied with sin a to get sec a into sin a. ठीक है, ये पार्ट तो रहेगा ही, है ना? sec a minus sec a can be written like 1 by cos a, और इधर है आपका sin a. ठीक है, तो हो गया ये इक्वल टू sec a minus sin a divided by cos a multiplied with this. So this is equal to sec A minus tan A, and it is multiplied with sec plus tan. This is in the form of A minus B multiplied with A plus B. So it is equal to A square minus B square. So it will be equal to sec square A minus tan square A, which is equal to 1. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the solution properly. What have I done? I have multiplied the first two parts, sec A and 1 minus sin A. Then sec A has entered the bracket. Sec A minus sec into sin. Sec A is 1 by cos A. Then sin A by cos A, it has become sin minus sin divided by cos is tan. So the equation has become like sec minus tan multiplied with sec plus tan. So it is equal to sec square A minus tan square A, which is equal to 1. Look at it properly. Have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next question is cot A minus cos A divided by cot A plus cos A, and this is to be equal to this one. Cot is equal to cos by sin. देखिए LHS part, look at the LHS part. Cot A minus cos A is equal to cot A plus cos A, and here it is written on the RHS part cos A cosec A minus 1 divided by cosec A plus 1. So this part is cos A and this part is 1. Okay, so what I will do, if I divide the LHS part by cos A, है ना? If I divide the LHS part by cos A, then I can get that value as 1. See, next step I am doing. Cot by cos minus cos by cos divided by cot by cos plus cos by cos. These two cut. Here it is remaining cot by cos. Cot by cos मैं थोड़ा सा साइड में कर रही हूँ. अच्छा ठीक है, यहीं पे करती हूँ. Cot by cos is what? Cot is cos by sin. So cot by sin into cos minus 1. Cos by sin into cos plus 1. Are you getting?
Uh, and can you
Confusion?
tell how you did that?
On the very first step.
No, the second one. Second step you did.
Okay. This one, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I have changed cot. Cot is equal to cos by sin. Then the expression will become like cos by sin मल्टीप्लाइड विथ कॉस, है ना।
Okay, ma'am.
लिखने का
Okay.
तरीका भी सही होना चाहिए, नहीं तो एक्सप्रेशन उल्टा हो जाएगा। ठीक है,
Yes,
क्योंकि
ma'am.
कॉस नीचे है तो वो कॉस नीचे ही रहेगा, और वो
Yes,
कॉट
ma'am.
को हमने कर दिया कॉस बाई साइन, तो जो उसका डिनोमिनेटर है वो कॉस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा। सो कॉस बाई साइन इंटू कॉस, cos by sin to cos, since both the terms are same. Now this will be cut. This cos will be cut. Every time you have to put theta or a, whatever it is mentioning the question. Okay, because of the lack of page, I am doing like this. Now the term is remaining like 1 by sin a minus 1 by sin a plus 1. So 1 by sin a is what? Cosec a. That is what? Cosec a, cosec a minus 1 divided by cosec plus 1. This is the RHS part. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Should I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See what the solution has done. It has divided by, okay. Simply it has written like, I'm looking at this part. Part A is written like cos by sin minus cos, okay. Then cos is taken common, okay. From both the terms, cos A is on the numerator. That's why cos A is taken common. The remaining is 1 by sin A minus 1. And these both cos are cut and remaining is this one. Okay. So it is like cosec minus 1 cosec plus 1. Like this also we can do. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So simply, since all the trigonometric ratios are related to each other, that's why we can think from any way. Now the thing is question number 15. It is saying sin minus cos plus 1 and this one using the identity, this one. See, we have to use this relation sec minus tan is equal to 1. Sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. Okay, and look at the LHS part. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. So in this type of question, how we have to think? That same thing I'm telling you. What we have to use this part? No, it means sec and tan should be available. So if I divide this one by cos, this will be tan. This will be 1. 1 by cos will be sec.
Sec.
तो हमारे पास क्या क्या अवेलेबल आया? Tan, 1 and sec. On it means if we do this same thing, then we can use the identity which is mentioning here. Okay, so I will go like this. Dividing both sides by both numerator and denominator by cos theta. ध्यान रखिएगा, I can't write here. Both the numerator and denominator are divided by cos theta. by cos theta. Then it will be like tan theta minus 1 plus, यहाँ पे दिक्कत हो रही है क्या? Wait, can you see the whiteboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the question. Sin minus cos plus 1, right?
1 minute, ma'am.
Plus minus 1. This one. Okay, this is the LHS part. So dividing both sides by cos, it will be like tan minus 1 plus sec, है ना? And it will be like tan plus 1 minus
Sec.
sec. ठीक है? Now I
Yes,
am
ma'am.
doing tan plus sec minus 1. उसी को थोड़ा अरेंज करके मैं लिख रही हूँ. Tan minus sec plus 1. Okay, now I will change 1 on both numerator and denominator, like tan plus sec माइनस. लिखने का तरीका सही होना चाहिए, नहीं तो गलत हो जाएगा. sec स्क्वायर माइनस tan स्क्वायर अंडर ब्रैकेट, है ना? नीचे tan माइनस sec प्लस sec स्क्वायर माइनस tan स्क्वायर. अब थोड़ा सा माइंड को बड़ा करके सोचना है. Sec square minus tan square is available on numerator and denominator both. So on the other side, tan plus sec, tan minus sec is there. So sec square minus tan square, it is in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b multiplied with a plus b. Okay, so this can be written like sec minus tan, sec plus tan. ओके, तो मैं थोड़ा सा इसको लिख रही हूँ. tan प्लस सेक, tan प्लस सेक माइनस सेक प्लस tan. मैं थोड़ा शॉर्ट में कर रही हूँ. सेक माइनस tan, इसको भी मैं ब्रैकेट में कर दे रही हूँ. ठीक है, इधर है आपका tan माइनस सेक, tan माइनस सेक, इधर प्लस है. इधर है आपका sec plus tan, sec minus tan. Now see, on the numerator part, tan plus sec is common. Okay, tan plus sec is common. So tan plus sec I will take common, and remaining will be 1 minus sec plus tan. इससे आएगा, देखती हूँ. इधर है आपका tan माइनस सेक कॉमन, tan माइनस सेक कॉमन, रिमेनिंग विल बी 1 प्लस सेक, नहीं, इधर सेक माइनस tan है, इधर tan माइनस सेक, tan माइनस सेक है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो एक माइनस बीच में आएगा कॉमन करने के लिए. एक यहाँ पे माइनस लेना पड़ेगा, तो प्लस माइनस हो जाएगा ये. तो tan माइनस सेक मैंने कॉमन लिया, and here it will be remaining 1 minus sec प्लस 10। कुछ गलत हो रहा है। Am I doing something wrong? 10. 10 plus sec, 10 minus sec. Okay. Sec square. What is on the RHS part? I have never seen this. 1 divided by sec minus 10. अच्छा, 1 divided by sec minus 10. तो कैसे होगा? It means sec plus 10 should be cut on numerator and denominator. Only then this one can be left. Okay, let me see again. Up to here it is correct. 10 plus sec minus sec square minus 10 square. Okay, 10 minus sec. गलत तो हुआ ही है। अब at this part this is wrong. माइनस प्लस का थोड़ा सा भी मिस्टेक ज्यादा हो जाएगा। I'm clearing this part. I'm clearing this part. यहीं पे गलत हुआ है। सी, अगर ये क्वेश्चन सही है तो फिर नीचे सही है। 10 minus 1 plus sec. 10 plus 1 minus sec. Now the thing is, what I was doing? Oh, अच्छा अच्छा। 10 plus sec minus 1. 10 minus sec plus 1. है ना? So now this plus 1 or minus 1. 10 plus sec taken common minus sec plus 10 sec minus 10. The thing is 10 minus sec. तो यहाँ पे पहले मैं अभी साइन छोड़ देती हूँ। sec plus 10 और अंदर आएगा sec minus 10। तो 10 minus sec बनाना है मुझे, तो ये मैं कर देती हूँ 10 minus sin sec. That is correct. 10 plus sec is taken common. 10 plus sec is taken common. Remaining will be 1 minus s plus t. 1 minus s plus t. On the downward part, t minus s is there. T minus s is there. And here will be t minus s common. So 1 minus s minus t. 1 minus s minus t. Nothing is getting deducted. Okay. I am going to the RHS part now. RHS part is 1 by sec minus 10. 1 by sec minus 10. 1 by sec minus 10. Then this one will be sec square minus tan square divided by sec minus tan. It will be sec plus tan sec minus tan divided by sec minus tan. तो बचा है sec plus tan, है ना? तो यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है? अच्छा, I think somewhere I'm doing wrong because I have applied the same thing. Wait, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am, I can see.
See, same thing I have applied, dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the content has become like tan minus 1 plus sec, tan plus 1 minus sec. Okay. So tan plus sec is taken in a single bracket and minus 1. Same thing I also have done. Okay. Now this total part is multiplied with tan minus sec. See, tan minus sec here, tan minus sec here. Okay, both numerator and denominator are multiplied. Now this part has converted like this. It has become tan square minus sec square minus tan minus sec, and denominator is this. So tan square, okay, कॉमन पार्ट हटा दिया गया. What again have written this? Tan minus sec plus 1. Tan minus sec. क्या कॉमन लिया है? At some part it is being something problem. Okay, if I do in a better way in a copy, then I will discuss. Okay, or I will
Okay, ma'am.
send you. Then this type, one more thing is there. These type of questions, this is not required that LHS and RHS both are proved in a single frame. Okay, separately also you can show that this is equal to this one, RHS also is this equal to this one, then also you can prove. But from both the sides, something is lacking somewhere. Okay, so leave this question at this place only and try to move the exercise till then I do. Okay,
Okay.
I'm sharing you the exercise. Hmm. Try to do the first question.
First question. One more time.
Hmm. Shreyas,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see the page?
Yes, ma'am.
See that question I have done. See, first of all, uh, both sides. This part is divided by cos. I think back camera is blurred. No, wait a minute. Numerator and denominator. The first step. Both numerator and denominator both are divided by cos theta. Okay, so it has become like tan minus 1 plus sec, tan plus 1 minus sec. Okay, what did I send you?
Yes, ma'am. You can send me.
Have sent. Look at the page properly and step by step I'm explaining. Okay. First of all, both numerator and denominator are divided by cos. That's why it has become like tan minus 1 plus sec divided by tan plus 1 minus sec. Okay. Now, tan and sec with their signs are taken together. So, in the next step, it has become like tan plus sec minus 1, tan minus sec plus 1. Got it? And this same part, can you see? You can see, no?
Yes, ma'am. I can see.
Hmm. In the third step, both the numerator and denominator are multiplied with tan minus sec. With the same value, tan minus sec, they are multiplied. Now, look at the step properly. In the curly bracket I have written. कर्ली ब्रैकेट के अंदर एक स्मॉल ब्रैकेट है in which there is tan plus sec that is indicating for a single term tan plus sec. When it will be multiplied with tan minus sec, it will be tan square minus sec square because a plus b, a minus b is there. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And minus 1 is remaining, so minus tan minus sec will be there. In the denominator, same thing will be kept, no change. Okay, no, nothing will be done there. Now, on the numerator part, we have to focus. Tan square minus sec square will be equal to minus 1 because sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. That's why their reverse will be minus 1. Okay, so minus 1, and when the bracket is removed, so minus 1 minus tan plus sec. Okay,
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be there. And in the denominator is there tan minus sec plus 1. So look at the two things. न्यूमरेटर एंड द डिनोमिनेटर का जो एक फर्स्ट वाला जो ब्रैकेट पोर्शन है, बोथ ऑफ देम आर हैविंग सेम कंटेंट्स विद डिफरेंट साइंस. उधर टेन माइनस है तो इधर टेन प्लस है, सेक उधर प्लस है तो इधर माइनस है, वन उधर माइनस है तो इधर प्लस है. इट मीन्स all the contents are same but different signs they are having. So न्यूमरेटर का हमने नेगेटिव साइन ले लिया. Okay, negative sign is taken outside. It will be 1 plus tan minus sec, and now both these parts are cut.
Can
So minus 1 divided by tan minus sec, which will be, अब minus को हमने नीचे कर दिया in the standard form, so it will be 1 by sec minus tan. Got it?
yes, ma'am.
इस पे फोकस करके एक बार और देख लीजिएगा. And you will do the exercise that I have sent you, 8.4. Okay.
Okay,
Uh, whatever the questions you will be able to do, you will do that much only. Okay.
okay. Yes, ma'am.
Bye then. Bye then.